Alberta, Robbie Stremsky with RJ Homes and eXp Realty here. Welcome to another new listing. This time we are in Clairmont, just literally a couple of kilometers north of Grande Prairie, and I'm standing in front of this beautiful townhome. That's right, it's a townhome. It is not a condo, no condo fees here. Perfect place to build your equity. And we are at 11205 95th Street, Unit B. So it's the second one in from the end. As you can tell, it's got a really long concrete driveway, double driveway. You can park 2 vehicles in here comfortably. Let's go in and have a look. Well, welcome indoors. You know what, I say this all the time, but first impressions are absolutely everything. And when you first come into this unit, it is nice and bright. Tons of natural light coming in through these large windows. And this main floor is an open concept design, meaning that it's perfect for entertaining. You should always be part of the conversation, whether you're in the kitchen, in the dining room, or in the living space. And take a look at this. Beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring, nice light gray paint throughout. This home has not been smoked in. As you can tell, it's in very good condition. It's only about 6 years old. So still in very, very good condition considering that it's 6 years old already. Now come check this out. Look at this. Beautiful kitchen counters. You've got white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and take a look at this. Soft clothes, drawers, and cabinets. Gotta love that. Now you can't tell from there, but when you're doing the dishes in the sink, boy, you have a beautiful view out your backyard. It's backing onto a green space back there. We'll have some photos in the listing for you to have a look at that. And your yard is completely fenced in, so if you have young children or pets, you can rest assured that they'll be secure inside your yard. Now back here, the back door does have a full window in here. So again, you have this beautiful amount of natural light coming in. And right across from the back door, take a look, 2-piece bath. And it's not your basic 2-piece bath. Usually you have those really basic pedestal sinks. Here you have a full vanity. So how nice is that? Of course, you have a back door closet and seeing as though we're over here, let's just go and step out on the deck. Look at this. How nice is this view? Wasn't that just a beautiful view? How nice is that? It's not everywhere that you can get in at this price point and have a green space in your backyard. Now we're not done yet. Let's go upstairs and explore. Look at this beautiful gray carpeting up the stairs. Notice nice and bright up here. As we get up to the top of the stairs, right across is the full bath, 4-piece bath. You can see how it's got the full tub enclosure. It's all one piece. You don't have to worry about grout lines or any of that stuff. Again, you've got this beautiful vanity with this gorgeous light gray counter. Really, really nice and bright in here. Now, back here at the back, we've got 2 good-sized bedrooms. Bedroom number 1, you can see you can easily accommodate queen-size bed, bedroom furniture. And take a look at that view. Just look at that. There's a beautiful lake right back there. Let's zoom in on that lake over here. Look at that. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more so you can see that. Look at that. Oh, let's zoom out a little bit so you can see. Look at that beautiful view. Right behind you is a park, and you have a gate access right there. So you can see there's a gate literally right in the middle of the yard, and that gets you out onto the park. How nice is that? So that was bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2, about the same size. Again, you've got that beautiful view. Boy, I tell you, if you have kids, they're going to be spoiled with this view. This is absolutely gorgeous. So that's bedroom number 2. Again, you can probably fit a queen or a double bed in here. Now, across from there, you do have this bathroom that's kind of in the middle, separating the kids' rooms from the adults' room. Come over and check out this primary bedroom. Look at the size of this room. It's massive. Can you say king-size bed? Plenty of room for all that furniture. Again, you've got this huge window for the front, and again, massive walk-in closet. And yes, there is a window over here as well. Gives you lots and lots of natural light. Take a look at that. How nice is that? And if you need more space, we're still not done. Let's go and have a look downstairs. Okay, so that was the upstairs. Now, did you say you need some more space? Maybe you need some storage space? Take a look at this. Full basement down here. Come on down. And here we are. So, ready for your development ideas? You know what? There's another few little bonuses I want to mention about this basement. We've got the I-beam floor truss design here. This is a very quiet yet very strong system, so it really makes it nice and easy to work with. As you can tell, we've got rough-in plumbing for your future full bathroom. It's set up so you can have a bathtub in here. And the other nice, really cool thing in here, this is not very often that in these smaller townhomes do we have not one, but 2 windows. So you can choose to have 2 smaller bedrooms, or maybe 1 bedroom and a living space area. And get this, you've got the laundry room area. You can easily section this off. High efficiency furnace, and best of all, on-demand hot water system. How would you like that? No more running out of hot water, no more complaints that, oh, I have to take a short shower. Don't worry about it. Take as long as you want. You'll never run out of hot water here. So, what did you think? Isn't this just a beautiful property? You know what? It's not very often that we get to have these beautiful townhomes at this kind of entry-level price point where you get to have it all. No condo fees. You get to earn all the equity for yourself. And really, it's a move-in ready property. Nothing to do here. Just bring your clothes, bring your furniture, unpack, and enjoy. And I really mean enjoy. Take a look. I'm still just having such an amazing time just admiring the view from here. Just beautiful green spaces, and beyond the green space, beyond the park, there's a beautiful lake back there. So again, if you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate. Contact us. Give us a call directly at 780-222-8222, or check out our website. Everything is below at 𝐿𝐺𝐻𝐿𝐴. You'll have the photos, the videos. There'll be drone pictures, drone videos in there. The full description of all the features is in there as well. And remember, always share the video. You never know, this might be the perfect property for one of your friends.